The Embassy of the Dominican Republic in Jamaica has donated over 500 books to the University of the West Indies Mona campus. The donation, presented by Her Excellency Angie Martinez, Ambassador of the Dominican Republic, marks a significant milestone in the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the Dominican Republic and Jamaica. Held under the theme, Dominican Voices, Literature Connecting Countries, a Gift of Knowledge, the ceremony brought together distinguished members of the academic community, the diplomatic corps, and invited guests. The literary collection features work from some of the Dominican Republic's most renowned and important authors.
The University of the West Indies stands as one of the most influential academic institutions in the Caribbean and the world, a beacon of knowledge that has shaped leaders, thinkers, and visionaries. The donation we are making today are over 500 books authored by some of the Dominican Republic's most brilliant and celebrated minds.
I think that the contribution today from the Dominican Republic is helping us to better appreciate and understand our brothers and sisters from the Latin side of the Caribbean.
This is more than a donation. It is a bridge of knowledge, a gift of history, and a literary legacy that will inspire generations to come.